Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we search about Brave and we click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.